Lou Basenese is founder and chief analyst of Disruptive Tech Research. Hey, good morning.
Great to be here.
Let's start with Amazon, the stock on fire. The big news really was this pharmacy push by Amazon, which of course has now led to this merger that we're seeing between Aetna and CVS. Talk about Amazon's move into the pharmacy business. Is this just another industry that they're going to take over?
Yes, and it's one of many industries that we probably don't even know about that Jeff Bezos has plans to dominate. I mean, it's really pretty telling here. Amazon, we might as well consider its own nation state. They're branching out into so many different aspects of our everyday lives. They led the pack yesterday with the tech earnings, reporting sales growth of 34%. The most telling stat for me is this. Amazon's headcount increased almost 80% in the last year. So they are gearing up for much more growth ahead, and I think we should expect it.
Yeah, and the web services as well, which, you know, Amazon always says that they believe in investing, not necessarily profit growth for now, but investors like the web service growth they saw on that one. Let's talk about Microsoft. Microsoft also had some pretty good news, especially when it came to their cloud services businesses, not necessarily personal computing. Are you a fan of Microsoft right now?
I am a fan of Microsoft. I mean, their resurrection is as legit as my Lord Jesus's, and I say that seriously. If you look at it, they made an effort when everyone was writing them off to focus on the cloud segment, and for 2 quarters in a row, that cloud segment has enjoyed growth that's faster than Amazon. So it was 56% this quarter versus Amazon's 42%, and the previous quarter it was 90% versus Amazon's 42%. So Mr. Softy's not so soft anymore. I'm a fan.
No, the stock's been looking pretty good. Real quick on Alphabet, then I want to get to Apple, but it's real quick on Google parent Alphabet. Did you like the numbers you saw?
Profit gusher of the bunch. They reported net income of $9.57 per share. That's more than $1 ahead of expectations. They've got a war chest of $100 billion now. Look for them to spend it on acquisitions to supercharge growth.
All right. Well, Apple didn't come out with earnings, but boy, they're coming out with some big news today. The 10 is now out there for pre-order. There's a lot of speculation that this is going to be a supply disaster for Apple because not only is the 10 a hot phone, but they can't get these made fast enough. What do you think?
Yeah, look, I am guilty as charged as being an Apple fanboy, so my bullishness on Apple here is off the charts. But look, we've been waiting for this moment all year, this super cycle upgrade. The numbers bear it out. You know, recently Apple cut back on production for the iPhone 8 because consumers are holding off till today for the iPhone 10. So look, I think as planned, this is going to be a large upgrade cycle for Apple. And next quarter, when they report results, we'll see it evident and look for shares to hit another all-time high.
Yeah, we had Pete Paschal on Maria's show yesterday. He said the 10 is amazing. He said it's going to totally change how people use phones. So there's a lot of buzz about it. Lou, it's good to have you on this Friday morning. Thanks for getting up early.
No problem. Great to be here.
All right.